I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to cancel the auto renewal on your Disney Plus subscription, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Disney Plus app. Launch the Disney Plus app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner, then select Account from the menu that appears. Step 3. Manage Subscription. Under the Account Settings, find the Subscription section. Tap on Manage Subscription to view your current plan details. Step 4. Cancel Auto Renewal. Look for the option that says Cancel Subscription or Turn off Auto Renewal. Follow the prompts to confirm your choice. Step 5. Check confirmation email. After cancelling, check your email for a confirmation message from Disney Plus. This ensures that your subscription will not renew. Remember, if you don't see the option to cancel, make sure you're using the right account or check if you're subscribed through a third party like Apple or Google. Good luck and enjoy your viewing.